Alrighty, top of the morning, everybody. We got Big Blue in the big van, Betty, and we are off to Western Port again, and chasing the snapper. I've caught a couple of pinkies so far, but haven't caught that snapper yet. I've been getting some good gummies. But today I can feel it. I can feel it today. So anyway, the time is, we're leaving home at 4 a.m. The date is, what's today's date? Oh, the 11th of December. So let's see if we can come out with a nice 2-3 big reds. Alrighty, let's go. Look at that. I actually changed my mind last minute, and I thought I'll come down here and look at how crystal clear it is at the moment. And yeah, I was going off to launch from Conorella, but last minute I thought I'll come down Soldiers Road and launch the kayak out here. Let's go. So I've got two options. Look at how calm it is at the moment. It's 5:10 in the morning, and like I said, I was gonna go launch off Conorella, chasing snapper, but out here it's really good for whiting. Like I got an option of just smashing the whiting out, but you know, when you come out for that target species, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna chase that target species, and then come back in on the way and sit up here and smash some whiting. I should try catch a few fresh whiting right now, but I really just want to get out there, find my spot, sound up, and then really start working at burleying and all that type of stuff. I didn't bring a burley pot. I stopped at the Bass server there. They don't sell any of them burley pots, so I know it's Western Port, but I haven't been using much. Like, I don't use burley rarely because of how the currents are and how much it runs. But they say once you find that fish, use bloody burley to keep them around. So this is going to be interesting. Anyway, let's get set up and I'll get out there. Woo! Top of the morning to the world. Look at this. The sun's behind me. It's rising. I'm a couple of kilometers out, and I promised the family every Christmas I come out, and before Christmas I catch fish for the whole family. And I can't let them down this year. So, in saying that, I've got up this morning at 4 a.m. in the car, in this water place by 5 a.m. And I've been thinking to myself, how the hell am I ever going to be fat? I've been pedaling for the last hour. I've done some serious kilometers, but look at $1, baby. Woo-hoo! Come on, you got to pay off. Let's go. All right, guys, I've finally made it out to my spot. Couple of kilometers out, the sun's coming out. Look at that, looks beautiful. I decided I'll come and fish about 7 meters. There's a couple of boats out there. I don't know if you can see them. There's one out there, there's another one out there. Just because I believe before that sun comes up and it's still dark, you can still fish for all the snapper in like really shallow water, 3 meters, 2.5 meters. You know, they come up, I believe anyway, they come up for bait and all that. And as that sun comes up, they'll start to find a little bit of that depth. But here we go, and there we go. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, come on girl. So anyway, I've been paddling for a hell of a time, and I finally got out here, And now we're just waiting. We're sort of on top of the tide, I'm pretty sure, right now. So we'll see what happens. But our aim of the game is to get a big red. And then later on, I'll stop up the road up there and fish for some whiting. I could have just started fishing for whiting this morning and just killed it. But you know, when you're on a kayak and you have to paddle all the way out here, it takes a while to get out here. So it's just like get to where I needed to get to and start fishing it. And then on the way back in, I can fish for whiting and things. But it would have been nice to fish for some fresh bait. But it is what it is. But we're out here. That's the main thing. That's all that matters. So let's catch some fish. That's looking promising. Oh, that's looking really promising. That's what we came here for. Oh yeah, that's looking promising. Oh, let's see what it's doing. That's looking really promising. Not much head shake, but we'll see. It's looking very promising. We got a fish on here. Oh yeah. I don't think he's even realized he's out away. Oh. Oh no, I dropped him. Oh. Bloody hell. Oh. Oh, that sucks. Oh, he didn't even quite take it. That felt really promising. That really felt like the red that I was looking for. Anyway, let's keep persistent. Oh, oh. Oh, damn. So whatever I had on, it must have been a shark because it cut me clean off. I have a Panonosta rig on that, and it just clean shaved it off. So I'm pretty sure that was something that had some teeth. But anyway, that's a good start. It's at, what's the time now? It's 6:14. And I'm pretty sure high tide is at 6:55 or something like that. I'm getting some inquiries, but just little tiny little taps. Just waiting for the moment, any moment now that one of these reels are just gonna scream. Oh, here we go, that one. Oh. Alright guys, we're moving again. Well, moving from our first spot. I spent about close to 50 minutes there or so. 45 to 50 minutes. And when I first got there, the first probably 3 to 4 minutes end up getting a shark, but they cut me off. And since I've been sitting there, I've had a few little nibbles, but nothing too major. So this time I've decided that I'll come out here, I'll spend 45 to 50 minutes on one spot, and if there's nothing happening, we'll move another couple of 100 meters or so and try and find them. Because at the moment, I'm not picking up much on the sounder, but earlier when I was coming in at that 3 meter mark, I was picking up some really nice marks. And now I'm thinking to myself, I should have stayed, or yeah. But anyway, that's fishing. So what we're gonna do, so I'm gonna paddle for another probably 100 meters, 200 meters, and then we'll have a look at the next spot. All right, guys, we moved. We're on our second spot, and right now it's 7:20, and high tide was at 6:50. So, and we moved about, I don't know, a good bloody 300-400 meters away from the last spot, maybe 5. This ground looks very promising, but I didn't pick up anything on the sounder, so we'll see. I just liked how the ground looked like. I'm fishing on 6.2 meters of water. It's 18.1 degrees, so it's pretty damn warm. Yeah, these snappers should be up and about, and I can see one boat out there in the bay, and looks like he's fishing on the corals. The other boat that was around, I think it went towards turtle heads or so, directly up down that way. So we'll see what happens. The other guys just, I don't know if you can see somewhere over there. That's where the corals is. Anyway, it's a good kilometer or so away from I am. It could be a little bit further. Everything looks different when you're sitting on the kayak. You're so low to the on the water. It looks close, but that's a good K and a bit anyway. So I'm gonna try this area for a bit, and then we'll see what happens. But we're feeling it. And the problem is, I might have brought too many bananas on board. But anyway, I don't believe in that gibberish. I'm gonna enjoy them. Breakfast of champions. Bananas on board. And a lot of fishermen believe that if you got bananas, it's bad luck. I think that's a lot of bullshit. Anyway, I brought 3. This is my second banana. And we're still waiting. All right? That myth of theirs. Anyway, I caught a shark before, but it bit me off as I got closer in. But let's see what this new spot produce. Because when I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it, and I'm not gonna let them down. That's right, Mum. Like I said this morning, I'm gonna come back with fish. I'm gonna come back with fish. If I have to stay out here all night, I'll stay out here. If I have to, like I said, if I'm out here for 12 hours, 18 hours, I'm coming home with fish. There we go. We're getting some. Oh, I could be wrong. I thought I seen some action. Little nibbles happening on this. She's eerily quiet out here. Oh, did I miss it? I did. Oh no, it's still there. It's having a crack at it. Come on. Still there, still just, oh. Go on. Oh, this one's about to go off. Oh, what the hell is on? That one's gonna go. They're playing around with me. Oh, have a look at this. Go on, take it. My first fish. Look at him. What is it, a little gummy? Oh no, bronzy. These things got teeth on him. Little shark, eh? Look at him. He's got some bloody gnarly teeth on him. Had to get my finger stuck on there. Look at this. Open your gob. Open up. Open. Yeah, this is a nice bronzy stuff. You let mum and dad know I'm out here, but not too big. Look at him, he's got some good teeth on him. Anyhow, we'll let him go. We always let the first fish go. So have a wonderful day, buddy. Without giving me a nip. There you go. Oh yeah, here we go. We're having some inquiries. Go on. That's it. Go for it. Take it, girl. Oh. Which one do I rescue first? Oh, that's looking good. Ah. They're playing Mickey Mouse with me here. Definitely playing Mickey Mouse with me. Must be a really tiny one on this one. Don't. Well. I reckon it's tiny little fish. Maybe flathead. Maybe little baby gummies as well. Tend to catch fair few baby gummies out here on this sort of particular spot. Plenty of baby bronzies as well. So yeah, it could be any of them. It's just nibbling away. Oh. was a nice little ball of school of something that went underneath me. And I'm getting inquiries on every single rod. But it's just little tiny taps. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, oh. That one. Come on, guys, you gotta take it. Don't just give me little taps and I wouldn't mind actually catching some fresh bait too, so come on. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't just give me little taps and then stop. There we go, there we go. Go on. Oh, that's looking promising. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, no. Oh, bloody hell. I thought that was good. Oh, I'm having a lot of inquiries here at all rods. Oh, oh. That one's looking promising. There we go. Something on that one. No head shakes. Oh, that one's about to go. Ah, bloody hell. Port Jackson. Come on here, Port. Let's get you up. Ooh. Oh, shit. Let's get this guy off. Ow. Don't forget about the bloody... Come on, open your damn mouth, mate. I'm gonna let you go. Come on. I'm not putting my hand in your mouth. Come on, buddy. All right, well, it's a Port Jackson. Beautiful looking shark. And I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Go straight on. There we go. And I reckon there might be plenty of Port Jackson down here because I'm getting little inquiries everywhere. All right, I'm pretty sure, and I'm right. I found the little baby ground where all the little sharks are born and they all hang out here for a little bit and I'm catching them. But I don't want these little ones. I want the bigger ones and I want big red. So this is another bronze whaler. Little bronzy. Oh, that one's gonna go. But yeah, there's plenty of these sharks around. And tell you what, you don't want to get your hands in their mouth. They'll bloody cut it off. Look at the teeth on him. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Thanks for coming. Have a beautiful day. Say hello to Mum and Dad. Oh shit, here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. We're on to something there. That's better. That's better. That's actually got head shakes. That's what I came here to get. Come on. Oh, stopped with the head shakes. Come on. Oh, that one's gonna go. Oh, that one's gonna go. Oh, gummy. Oh, no. Bronzy. Oh, shit. Yeah, he's got teeth. He's a bigger one with some teeth on him. Not really. Oh, fuck. Shit, mate. Oh, hold up, buddy. Oh, shit. Don't you bite me. Oh, dude. Oh, shit. Fuck, getting bitten by him. Hey. Oh, No, 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 no. Don't do that gibberish. Oh, that one's going to go. Oh, that one's going. That one's going to go. Oh, mate, open your damn mouth. Look at him. He's got some serious teeth on him. And if he bites you, I guarantee you, you're not getting your fucking finger back. Oh, that one's going. I got to let you go, buddy. Take off. Oh, there we go. We're on to something better. I think maybe we found all the bronzies. Yeah. I reckon this is another bronzy. Fuck. Yeah, I reckon that's another bronzy. You know what? If it's bigger, it's much bigger than the other one, I'll keep. But I gotta be very careful because, yep, told you. What was this? This is looking like a gummy. That's a gummy. All right, oh, we've got a gummy. Yep, that's a gummy. He doesn't have teeth like the other ones, but beautiful size. I reckon this is the spawning ground for him. I'm finding plenty of gummies, plenty of bronzies, and that was a big bronzy before, and I didn't want to get bitten by him. This is a beautiful one. All right, I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Thanks for coming. Let Mum and Dad know I'm out here, and let Big Red know I'm looking for him. All right, go on, take a dive.